You excited to go?
Yeah!
Let's go! And catch some burbot.
Yeah!
Yeah.
And dinner. And
Is that what you're most excited about? Is eating food on the ice?
what I'm excited about is that we are sleeping for 2 nights.
2 whole nights! That's exciting. So I don't always plan these things out that well. So me and Riley are here at Walmart picking up some lights because I forgot mine. And I didn't want to drive back. So it's just gonna cost me today. All right, buddy, let's go check out and go fishing. Okay, ready? Paper, scissors, shoot! What are you? Ah, snap, snap. Ah. Ready?
Paper, scissors, scissors.
What are you?
Scissors.
Rock!
Oh man! Rock, paper, scissors, scissors.
What are you?
Rock.
Scissors! Oh no!
Yeah.
Just stopping right before it gets dark. Get some hamburgers, huh?
And
A little bit of ice cream. This will push us through so that we can fish all night long. This will make everybody happy.
And sleep.
And sleep. Riley's gonna sleep. I'm gonna fish. Look at that. Look at this hamburger. Nobody makes a hamburger like this place. Oh, I love it. That's why I come to this place. Oh, these hamburgers are fantastic.
Daddy?
How's the fries?
Good.
Fantastic too, huh? They're good fries. Okay, sorry it took so long to get back. I've been walking around, making sure that everything is just perfect. It's making me a little nervous. On Flaming Gorge, there can be places that it's 10 inches thick and then open water, like 200 yards away. So I have been checking just to make sure that we're good. We have a ton of ice back there, right here. We're still looking at around 6 to 8 inches. And we're about where we want to be right here. So I think we're just gonna set up right here. We're gonna put up the tent. Everything goes from there. All right, home sweet home. The sleeping bag out. Chuck that on top. Nice place to sit. And Riley's gonna be so happy. Mostly because he's been waiting for so long in the truck while I get ready. Right onto the water. First thing. Nice. Okay. Let's go get that kid. Hey, kid. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Whew. You did a good job waiting. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Okay, let me turn the truck off. Oh, did you get hot in there? I bet you did. Yeah, I'll put it in my pocket. All right.
I got on it. Yeah. I'm going to put the light in here.
That's a good idea.
Now look, you have a light here.
Yeah.
A light. Oh, sit on the bed. Ooh, it's slippery.
Okay.
If you want to turn on the light, you have to push this button.
Whoa. That's
Turn
what
on
you
the
do.
light. Turn on. Push the button. Go for it.
Okay. Got the black light.
Yeah.
Kind of looks cool, huh?
It's purple.
Riley!
Slimy.
He's slimy. We caught one. It's a miracle. Well, at least we have something to eat, don't we?
It's so slimy.
Ooh, I know. It means there's probably more down there. Should we try to catch another one real quick
Yeah.
before our time's up?
We can.
So, fishing wasn't that great, so we said, oh yeah, we're gonna pack up and head home. We come out, and it is just like a whiteout out here. I can't believe how much snow's fallen in like the last 20 minutes. But we're gonna get out of here. I need to pop this down. We're gonna do that. But so I'm gonna pop this down, and we are gonna hustle out of here before the roads get too bad, so we actually can make it home tonight. Cause I think sleeping in our beds would be a better option. So thank you for watching Survival. Sorry we didn't catch too many fish. Hope it was entertaining, and we will talk to you later. Hey. You look at this baby little Burbot. Hello, baby Burbot. Mason. Hello. Hello, Mason. I'm a baby Burbot. Riley caught me. And now he's gonna eat me. Leftover fries from yesterday. You gonna eat some fish too, Harper?
She likes the stuff on the tail.
You like the tail of the fish better? Or some purple carrots? Which one's better? Little sister. Huh? What are you doing? Are you yelling at everybody? Can you see yourself? Okay, moment of truth. I'm gonna grab a bite before anybody else gets one because I'm pretty sure there's not gonna be anything left. Sorry, Mom, we didn't get enough for you. You be okay? You live? Texture was not as good on this baby one. What do you think? How's the Burbot taste?
Good.
What about you?
Good.
It's good? How about you use your fork next time? Oh, that Burbot's gone.